Have you ever fallen? Have you ever gotten down on the ground and wondered, how the heck am I going to get back up? This can be a really scary moment, and an experience that changes not only what you can do, but what you choose not to do from here on out. My name is Luke Sullivan. I'm the owner of Pinnacle Fitness, and we help people over the age of 50, 60, 70, and 80s understand how to use their body correctly so they can be as independent and safe for as long as possible. That is why we're putting on this free workshop called Get Up Off the Ground. It's on Saturday, February 15th at 10:30 a.m., and we have limited spots available because this is a very hands-on workshop. We not only want to show you how to get up off the ground safely, but we also want to show you these strength and flexibility movements you need to work with your specific body to make this process easier. You're going to walk away with a better understanding and a clear plan of what you need to do to be mobile enough and strong enough to get up off the ground. So click the link below and fill out the form to get signed up, and I'll see you on Saturday, February 15th.